Hi, let me teach you how to open a RAR file or RAR file on your iPhone. So first things first, I want you to open the Shortcuts app. It should be this one right here. Now once you're here, I want you to look for a file. So you can see there's a search tab over here. I want you to click this one and type in file. Once you find the word file here, just click on it. And you can see it's going to be added to our Shortcuts app. Now, please take note of this one. I'm going to add 3 processes here, and they should be added accordingly by order. So first one is file. The second one I want you to look for is going to be extract. Just type the word extract over here. Once you have this, you have 2 options: extract text from image and extract from archive. I want you to check or choose extract archive. Once you have this one, I'm just gonna ask for you to look for the save file. As you can see here on the next action suggestions, there is a save file option, the third one. I'm just gonna add that one. And there you go. We have 3 processes here. Take note. They should be in order: file, extract file, and save file. Now, since I have this process already, I'm just gonna get the RAR file that I want to extract on my iPhone. I'm just gonna click on file, the very first one over here, and then it's gonna choose the RAR file that I want to open. So since I already uploaded a RAR file on my iPhone, I'm just gonna click on it. Now I'm just gonna click on the play sign. It's gonna be on the lower right over here. Once you click on this one, it will ask you where to save it or where to extract it. I'm just gonna choose on my iPhone over here, click done, and there you have it. I just extracted a RAR file on my iPhone. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.